It's the original.
Original.
Original, 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 original.
What's going on, everyone? Yeah, real authentic Jamaican soup. So my cow skin there, my cow foot. Yeah, see my okra, chicken foot, my corn, yellow yam. Yeah, nice soup. Whether the rain or fall, or it's just a traditional Saturday soup. See it here? Strong back, ready. Look, yeah, thick, nice, full of flavor. So guys, I have here some cow foot and cow skin, which I'm about to pressure. I'm gonna pressure it for about 15 minutes. I add some powdered all-purpose season. This is it, guys, the cow foot and cow skin pressured and ready. So I'm gonna add it to my soup pot over here. Yeah, the big pot. Yeah, belly full. Belly boss. Throw in my cow foot and cow skin. And I've already gone and prepared some carrots and pumpkin here, which I'm adding to my pot. Also, I have some corn, which I've chopped. I'm gonna add them in. And of course, I'm gonna add my chicken feet. I put them in at this point because I don't want them too soft. And that's the reason why I didn't pressure it with the cow foot and cow skin. Pot ready. Add in some water. And I'm gonna add some more water. Cause a big pot of soup, yeah. See? Whole heap of food, whole heap of chicken food, whole heap of meat. Add some more water. Just let me stir everything here. Kude. Food. Ray. Wanna not see nothing yet. Stick around, guys. Soup got bubble in a minute. Okay, guys, I took out some of the pumpkin and I'm crushing it here. I'm crushing it. I'm gonna add this back to my soup. Put it back in the pot here. Yeah, stir. People don't say my pot colorful already. Hold on now. Hold on. Stick around. No say nothing yet. Bubble. Bubble. Cover him. Okay, guys, what I'm gonna add in now, I'm gonna add some dumpling. I've already made my dough here. And people, I think I made the worst making looking dumpling. I don't know, no judge me. Comment below and tell me. Cause everybody make them dumpling different. But me just think me just to make my one good. But for soup, I don't like the big dumplings in my soup. I like the little ones like this, about this size. So this is how I do it. And guys, this is my way of doing it, okay? So please don't come for me. Put a little hole there. Up. That's how I make my dumpling. Yeah, drop that in. Make another one. And of course, guys, it's soup. So, you know, we Jamaicans, we have to make a little spinners. Yeah. So I'm going to do them like this. Drop them in the pot. Yeah. What is soup without some spinners? I feel I have little spinners in it, yeah. I have in my dish here some yam, yellow yam, Irish potato, and I also have some sweet potato. That's yellow yam, and I have them chopped in small pieces like this. And this is the size I normally put in my soup. I don't like my food to be cut big. So let me just pour all of this in my pot. Watch the man. Watch there. Yeah. Yeah, you. Yeah. Soup. Watch your dumpling them. Yam. Yeah. Chicken foot. Cow foot. Yeah. Cover him down. Let him go and cook. So guys, over here I'm gonna season my pot. I have some garlic, my scallion. I just twirl them around like that, crush them and put them in. That's how I do it. Have some okra, just throw them into and some thyme. Stir this. People on a semi pot. On a food. Jesus, peace. Watch there. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. Some all-purpose, some black pepper, and of course I'm gonna add in my cock soup, and I'm using 2 guys because of the amount of soup that I have here. If you're cooking a small portion, then you'll only use 1, but I'm using 2 because I want my thing for rich and nice, and I want my soup for a body. Yeah. So let me stir up all of this now. Yes, guys. Wee. Me can't wait for this soup done. Me can't wait for this soup done because my whole want to drink it. Get all the nutrients and all the strength and full of stamina and beer things. Yeah. Put my pepper right there, so. Yeah, put in my pepper and lock my pot. And guys, here I'm gonna add some butter. It's optional if you don't want to put butter then, but I put it because it makes the soup, give the soup a real nice flavor. Yes guys, here I have the finished product. See? Soup ready. Soup ready. You see all my food and everything. Look. Rich and nice. You see it? Yeah. Ready. Here I have a dish that I've shared for you guys. So eat with your eyes. Have corn, macao foot, okra, dumpling, my yam. Soup is ready. Thick and nice. Ready to eat. So guys, if you like this video and if you're gonna try it, comment and let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, guys. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to the original Latty. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for everything that, every comment, the likes. The support is real, genuine. Thank you. See you next time, guys. Bye.